Hello students. Now I'll discuss the question answer of the chapter number 1, the light brigade. आज की क्लास में बेटा हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे. चैप्टर 1, द नेम ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज लाइट ब्रिगेड. Now look, answer the following question. Your first question is, who ordered the soldiers to attack? What was his order? Means किसने ऑर्डर दिया सोल्जर्स को और ऑर्डर क्या था. So now look, answer of this question. The chief commander ordered the soldiers to attack and his order was to move toward the enemies and attack them. Now look, question number 2. Describe the scene of the battlefield where the soldiers of the light brigade were fighting. The scene of the battlefield where the soldiers of the light brigade were surrounded by enemies, cannons on their left, right and front. There were huge walls of cannons all around them that were firing and making a sound like thunder. Means this is your answer number 2. Students, now look, question number 3. Did the light brigade attack the enemy bravely? Give a brief description of their attack. Now look, answer of this question is, the light brigade attacked the enemy bravely. When they charged an entire army, the whole world wondered at their sincerity and dedication. They crossed the borderline, fought and killed the enemies. Okay. Students, now look, question number 4. In your opinion, was he right or wrong in ordering the soldiers to attack? Did the soldiers know it? In my opinion, he was wrong in ordering the soldiers to attack. The soldiers did not know it because the soldiers followed orders given by their commander. They don't analyze, reason or question the given order. Okay students. Now look, question number 5. What is the supreme duty of a soldier? Did the soldiers of the light brigade do their duty sincerely? Now look, answer of this question. The supreme duty of a soldier to perform their duty is, the soldiers of the light brigade, L will be capital, light brigade did their duty sincerely. Now look, question number next. Could all the soldiers return safe? If not, how many of them returned safe and what happened to the rest of them? No, all soldiers could not return safe. The light brigade lost many soldiers and horses. Only a few survived. They were honored. Okay. Now look, question number 7. What is your opinion about these soldiers? Did they get name and fame? Now look, answer of this question. In my opinion, these soldiers were very brave and dutiful. They got name and fame because they fought with courage and gave sacrifice. It was your last question of this chapter. Students, now look, explanation of the some passage. Explain the following stanza with reference and context. First is cannon to right and in last the 600. This is your passage number 3. Now look, reference of this passage. These lines have been taken from the poem The Light Brigade and composed by Alfred Tennyson. Okay. Now look, context of this passage. In this stanza, the poet describes the scene where they are surrounded by their enemies. Now look, explanation of this passage. In this stanza, the poet explained their position by saying cannon to right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them. There were cannons of the enemies which were ready to kill them. The bullets and the shells of the guns and cannons respectively were flowing in their air, but they did not stop and went ahead into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell. So students, this is your passage number 3rd. Now look, passage number 6 and last, when can their noble 600? The reference of this passage, these lines have been taken from the poem The Light Brigade and composed by Alfred Tennyson. Now look, context. In this passage, the poet explains about the glory of 600 soldiers. Explanation. In this passage, the poet wonders whether their glory will ever fade due to their heroic charge. The whole world marvels at them and honors the noble 600 of the Light Brigade. In this way, you will complete your whole chapter. You will write all questions and answer, students, and you will subscribe this YouTube channel.